Okay, guys, we're gonna working on the rear brake pad for 2018 RAV4. So first of all, we're gonna take the bolt for the caliper. It's a 14 bolt. So I'm gonna use a wrench. Turn to clockwise. They just coming out. Hold the caliper. And then put the caliper on the side. A lot of people they're using the hanger, but I don't have a hanger, so I'm just gonna do this way. So let's slide out on the back one. Okay, so before we change it, make sure it's the right one. Yeah, it's similar. And then we're gonna transfer this squeezing clips. This is an indicator for the when you need to change the brake. But the back one is not worn out that much, you know. It's like a half. So I just put it in there like that, and then the other one too. Okay, transfer like that. Then we're gonna take the clip out and then clean it up, and then put some apply some grease, and then we're gonna put it back in. Okay, so we're gonna put the grease in the back. Not too much, just a little bit. And then inside too. Okay, make sure this one is a flush. And let me just do this one at the bottom. And then this piston right here, this one is stuck, so I'm gonna clean it up and then put some more grease in there too. See right there, it's flexible. I'm gonna see, this one doesn't turn. Damn, this one's stuck good. Okay, I'm gonna put the boost first. Okay. Put the grease. So when you hear a click noise, that's all the way in. So you see this one flex, it's not locked up. Okay, so the one that indicator goes to the bottom. You have to put the angle and then push it in. Okay, so for your clipper piston, we have to push it in. So we're gonna just use the old brake pad, and then I'm just gonna use a C clamp. You have to push it in all the way flush. Okay, so piston is flush. Take it out. And then put it in. And then put the 14mm back in. And then when you're tightening this one up, the inside of a nut might be turning while you tighten it up, so you have to hold that one But that's a 17 millimeter, but I don't have it. I believe it's a 17 millimeter. So I'm just gonna use a spanner to hold it. And then lock it. Let me just counterclockwise. Bottom one, same thing. Counterclockwise. Okay, so before you start the car, press the brake pedal until they form, and then so they can press your brake before you drive. Thank you for watching.